Hello, this is Mark R. Holcomb, aka West Virginia AK-47. I'd like to send a big thank you and shout out both to Barry and Eric of Mossy Gun and Pawn, to Miller USAF, to Nuttin' Fancy, to Left Hand, Right Eye, and Mr. AK-47 Master. All the above will help you with your gun questions. They're really some nice people. Now, tonight's little blog is both a product review and a little how-to article. First, the product review. Walmart portable gunsmithing vise, $30. Highly recommend it after using it for the first time tonight. You find it in the gun department at Walmart. And it'll keep you from tearing up your gun and when you work on it. Why should you damage something potentially that you spent hundreds or even thousands of dollars to acquire? My next article is a how-to article for the Colt 1911 A145 pistol. Proof the gun is fully unloaded. I used a green dental pick, to paint the front sight alone of my 1911 A1. This is the part that I dipped in the paint. I put the paint on a piece of paper and dipped it in there and dipped it on my front sight until it was perfectly covered. And I also cleaned up any messes I made with a piece of paper. You get dental picks like that at Family Dollar, Walmart, Rite Aid, places like that, and they're not very pricey. Buffy neon pins. You get them at Walmart for under $5. They're like magic markers, but they squirt paint out the end of them. This is the color I chose because I'm legally blind. How revolver sights work in many cases is they'll have a fiber optic front sight, but the regular sight is just plain black. This enables you just to point line it up pretty much wherever you point, you can hit. Remember, the weapon is confirmed to be completely unloaded. Sight. Weapon confirmed, completely unloaded. Weapon confirmed, completely unloaded. Weapon confirmed, completely unloaded. Here is the front sight. And here's the back side. It should line up like well, you should have been able to see how it lines up. I'm sorry that my camera work sucked, but still, this will help you because it lets you line your gun up like this. You know, the back side is unpainted, only the front side is painted, and it lines up like this. Just, and you've got instant target acquisition. That's a good thing in a self-defense, hunting, or target shooting situation. Hope this helped, guys. West Virginia AK-47, aka Mark Purple. Thank you for your time.